Hey everyone, welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're diving into set notation and Venn diagrams, two powerful ways to represent events and relationships in probability. Let's start with sets. A set is a group of items or outcomes that share a common property. For example, set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 filler could represent numbers on a die, and set B, our character 2, 4, 6 fillers could represent even numbers from that die. In probability, we use set notation to describe events. AB, A intersection B, means outcomes common to both A and B. AB, A union B, means outcomes that are in A or in B or both. A complement, means outcomes not in A. The symbol represents an empty set, meaning no outcomes. Now, let's look at Venn diagrams, a visual way to show how sets overlap or interact. Each circle in a Venn diagram represents a set or event. When circles overlap, it shows outcomes that belong to both sets. For example, if set A represents students who play football, and set B represents students who play cricket, the overlapping region, AB, shows students who play both sports. If the circles don't overlap, then the events are mutually exclusive, meaning they cannot happen at the same time. Let's connect this to probability. If we have two events, A and B, PAB, or PA plus PB, PAB. This formula uses the same logic as the Venn diagram. We add both probabilities, but subtract the overlap once. Venn diagrams also help visualize complements. The area outside all circles represents AE, or not A. To summarize, set notation uses symbols to describe relationships. Venn diagrams show those relationships visually. The intersection represents AND, the union represents OR, and the area outside represents NOT. That's how set notation and Venn diagrams help us understand probability relationships clearly and visually. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.